Hello all, let's dive into the video. Tesla has opened its first office in India in Pune. The office is located at Panchsheel Business Park in Viman Nagar. It is a 5,850 square foot office that will be used for sales, marketing, and customer support. Tesla's office in Pune is a significant step towards the company's plans to enter Indian market. Company has been planning to launch its cars in India for several years, but it has been delayed by high import duties and lack of charging infrastructure. In August 2023, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said that the company was very close to launching its cars in India. He said that Tesla was working on getting the necessary approvals from the Indian government. In July 2023, Tesla said that it was in talks with the Indian government to reduce import duties on its cars. The company said that high import duties were making its cars unaffordable for most Indian consumers. Thank you.